starters they can be kind of funky sometimes. Sometimes you might get in your car, you turn the key, and it'll go click. You'll be like, what the heck, right? Turn it off, and then it starts right up. You're like, that was weird. And then you might go a week, 2 weeks, maybe even a month. All of a sudden you get in your car and it's like, click. And then generally, if it's a single click like that, it's a starter like 99.9% of the time. If you turn your key and it's one click, it's a starter. But then sometimes it might not even make a click or anything. These starters are funny animals. They could work perfect. You could pull into a 7-Eleven, shut it off, go in, come back out, and it may not work. And batteries are very similar in that fashion too, as far as how they work.